The truth about real sourdough bread. Is it just another white bread, or is it healthy? Sourdough bread is the earliest form of leavened bread and is known in all countries in the world. But what is sourdough bread really? Is it healthy? Is it good for you, or is it just another white bread? Before dry yeast was developed, all regular bread, as we know it today, was basically sourdough. The primary difference between homemade or commercially made regular bread and sourdough bread is that real sourdough bread has a long fermentation process where the fermentation is by lactic acid bacteria instead of by alcohol. This lactic acid bacteria causes the sour flavor of the bread, which is why it's called sourdough. This also contributes to the nutritional content of the bread and supports healthy gut bacteria. Real sourdough bread has minerals, fiber, protein, and vitamins, including folate and iron. It can contribute to healthy digestion, promote healthy aging, and even reduce the risk of chronic diseases. You don't see this in regular bread today. Basic sourdough has 3 ingredients: sea salt, water, and wheat. If you toss in the secret ingredient of love, which is now backed by science, you may be able to enjoy this treat again. Being healthy and enjoying a long life includes enjoying your food.